So let's say given an exponential function 2 to the third power is equal to a. This can be written in logarithmic format. Log of a to the base of 2 equals 3.
Ano ba yan? Video yata yan.
So this is our base exponent. So madali na right, after.
Picture tayo. Ano yan? Ano masin mo ako?
Okay. So let's say given 1/5 quantity raised to the third of 1. So, log of 1/125 to the base of 1 is equal to